Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Doorway YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about a very important tool in Facebook Business Manager, which is Facebook Audience Insights. So let's get started with this. This tool is extremely important when you're trying to figure out what audience you are and which websites or which celebrities to target, because many people, they overlook this tool and they do not use it, either because they get overwhelmed by the dashboard, by the page that they are shown, or they just don't know how to do it. But this is extremely important that you work on this tool and understand this before moving ahead with creating your ads. So why is this tool important? It's because of a number of reasons. The first being that when your brand is new or you just launched a new company, you would want to know what pages your audience visits, right? Your niche, what are they into? Number two is when you don't have any lookalike audience. Again, it boils down to a new page where you haven't run ads, you don't have a custom audience, you don't have a retargeting audience or a lookalike audience. Then it's important that you use this tool. And even if you do, it's important and imperative that you keep an eye on which websites, which celebrities your audience is following or liking, so that you can include those certain websites or pages, Facebook pages, in your ad manager. Like I said, it's good to find accurate targeting options. The tool is extensive and it has a lot of features, and it's basically to find niche audience who follows an interest. So let's take the example of cricket over here. So you will find this audience insights over here. When you click on the menu and come to all zones, under the plan section, you will find this audience insights. Let me just refresh the dashboard. Okay, so when you click over here, you will be shown two options: everyone on Facebook or people connected to your page. This is you're trying to build from scratch, and this is people who are already following you, and you want to know which pages they are following. I'm just going to go ahead with everyone on Facebook. Okay, so by default United States is selected. I'm going to close that, and now this is 1 billion people, and these are the total number of Facebook accounts, where the separation is 44% women and 56% men. Their relationship status: single 38% and 43% married. Education level, job titles, page likes, okay, location, activity, etc. On the left side, you will find again the location, the age and gender, interests. Different categories are there. You will find a lot of subcategories as well. Okay, the connections, the pages. You can also put your own page over here. And if you open this advanced, then you will find further targeting, right? Like the language, you want to select only specific languages, relationship status, politics in US, life events, etc. So like I was saying, let's take the example of cricket. I'm going to select India as a geographical location. I will select this, and immediately you will see this has changed. In India, total audience 77% are men and 23% are women. Total audience is 250 to 300 million people, right? And I'm just going to go ahead and type cricket over here. So you'll find different options over here. Let's take the most generic one, which is just cricket. So as you can see, immediately this has changed to 86% men and 14% women. So immediately you know that if you want to target people who like cricket, then you have to target men, because the number of women are too less. You also know what are the age brackets where you have to target. 18 to 24 is good, 25 to 34 is the maximum, and 35 to 44 comes after. And you cannot discard 16% because it's a lot of people. It's 100 to 150 million. So you can target from 18 years to 44 years, right? Relationship status, again, you single, married is there, and education level is some college degree or and What are the job titles? You will find them over here. What pages they are following. Now this is the most important. Then you have categories, okay, and you have page likes. This is where the fun begins. Now if you see over here, the most relevant at first position is Indian team fans. If I right click and open it, let's see if this is just cricket or is it sports in general. This doesn't look to me as if it's only cricket. So it just says Indian team fans, so I'm just going to discard this one. Number 3, Hardik Pandya. He is a sports star. He's a cricket player. So yeah. So if I come down, you will see that 5 million people are following him, and he's a current sports player. So I'm going to open an Excel sheet where I will write celebrities and websites, and I'm going to write over here Hardik Pandya. I'm going to close this, come back. Ajinkya Rahane is another current sports player. So he has again 5 million people following him. So I'm going to take his name also. Okay. Now let's see what else we have. Sportskeeda Cricket. Now this looks to be a sports website. Okay, yes, this is purely cricket website. So this audience that I selected with cricket as the interest also followed Sportskeeda Cricket. So I'm going to come back to my Excel sheet, and in websites I'm going to type in Sportskeeda Cricket. Okay, now let's get really granular in this. I'm going to close this, and you will get more, but I prefer going for the top 10 because okay, you find Shikhar Dhawan, who's another current player, and Harbhajan Singh and Virendra Sehwag, who are also players. Okay, so you can copy paste their names over here so that you can target those people who follow these celebrities. When you're setting up your ad sets, then you would want to mention these names so that you target the right audience, right? Now we have enough of celebrities. Let's check out different websites. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to remove cricket and type in Sportskeeda. Okay, Sportskeeda Cricket, here it is. So you will see that it has come down to 4 to 4.5 million people, and you will see cricket more. This is another category. Right click and open it. Okay, this is a cricket website or a cricket page. It has 1.7 million people. So I'm going to take this cricket more. Okay, I'm going to close this. What else? Public figures. Harsha Bhogle. He is a cricket commentator. Cricket country Hindi. You don't want to take Hindi because you might target the wrong audience in the language section. If you want to go ahead with this, I'm okay with it. Sportskeeda Cricket again. CricFit. Let's check out this one. Amateur sports team, cricket for India. Okay, this again looks cricket. Okay, this is CricFit update. Let's see, page likes, cricket more, cricket ka boss, Sportswala, the cricket lounge, cricket chamber. So you can see, as I mentioned over here in the interest level, Sportskeeda Cricket, I'm immediately being shown only cricket pages over here. Whereas when I just mentioned cricket in my previous search, it did not show me only cricket pages. It was showing me a mix of politicians and cricketers and even others also. But when I dug in deeper, then it's only related to cricket. Now these are all cricket. Now you can dig in even more deeper by selecting any of these, the cricket launch for example. You can select it and add it over here, and then you will get more categories and more searches. So this is how you will know that you can dig in deeper and then choose the pages, and when you do that kind of research, then you will have very, very accurate targeting when you're running Facebook ads. Otherwise you will just go into ad sets and you will just choose any campaign and just go to ad set and just give a mix of different whatever comes up. You'll just select any category and then go to browse and then select whatever shows up, which is not wrong, but it's not super targeted to your niche, right? You can also go over here to category and check. Ads click are 17, it's showing very good. So you can see that 0.2% on desktop, so don't even bother targeting desktop. It's all mobile, 90%, and it's mostly even Android. This is even less. iPhone is just 4%. So you might want to target Android as the device, as the operating system, and mobile as the device. In the ad set, when you do that, select these two, select the websites, and this is a one-time exercise, or maybe even two-time, but it gives you super targeted niche audience that you're looking for, which is very, very good. I hope you understood this. Another thing which I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this one now, and I'm going to close this. The second thing which you can do is you want to know currently you might be having some followers for your page, right? So you want to know what they are doing on your what pages they are following. So I'm just going to come over here and click on people connected to your page. I'm going to choose this one. So my page followers are 37% women and 63% men. Okay, the age range is 25 to 34%, right? And 35 to 44 is the second highest. So basically I would want to target this specific age range, 25 to 44. Okay, and what are their job titles over here? What pages they are liking. Okay, so these are the top categories of pages that they are liking. I'm more inclined towards this travel agency because this is a travel page. And okay, so these are the pages that they are liking. So you can get more insights using selecting your page and then doing this kind of research. It's extremely advanced and it gives you a lot of insights. And then you can go ahead and save the audience. You can just click over here and save it, whatever name you want to give, and it'll start showing up in the audience section of Ads Manager, right? So it's not that you cannot save it. It's all there. So this is a tool which is extremely powerful and gives you a lot of insights, and many people do not use this tool. They just overlook it and then they go straight away to Business Manager or Ads Manager and they start just building ads, and then you do get some results, but it's good to be, you're spending your money on Facebook, so it's always good to know all of these things. So I hope you like this video and you learned something from this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm continuing my Facebook series of Ads Manager. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you and goodbye.